Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to your WordPress website. Setting up PayPal is a fantastic way to offer your customers a secure and widely recognized payment option. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or accepting donations, integrating PayPal can streamline your financial transactions. It's a straightforward process that significantly enhances your site's functionality and user experience, making it easier for your audience to support your work. The easiest way to integrate PayPal is often through a dedicated WordPress plugin. For instance, if you're running an online store, plugins like WooCommerce offer robust PayPal gateway options. You simply install the plugin, navigate to its payment settings, and input your PayPal business account details. This method handles all the complex coding for you, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction flow for your customers with just a few clicks. For simpler needs, or if you prefer not to use a full e-commerce plugin, manual integration is an excellent option. You can generate specific PayPal buttons, such as Buy Now or Donate, directly from your PayPal business account. Once you have the button code, you can easily embed it into any WordPress page or post using a custom HTML block. This gives you direct control over where and how your payment options appear. After setting up your PayPal connection, it's crucial to perform thorough testing. Make a small test purchase yourself to ensure everything works perfectly from start to finish. Always provide clear product descriptions and transparent pricing to build customer trust. Finally, remember to keep your WordPress installation and all plugins updated. This ensures your payment gateway remains secure and functions optimally, providing a reliable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.